All right, hi, my name is Sebastian. I'm here with Train to Chess. We're here at Towers Elementary. We have a FIDE master, also named Sebastian, and we have some volunteers. We did bullet, we did classical, and on the side note, we're also doing our tournament here for an hour. The kids are having a good time. If they get a checkmate, I verify it, and they get a point. So this is a day in the life at Towers Elementary.
So wait, hold on. And then what did you do? You were here, and you moved here?
No.
You can't go there. Take your move over again because see the bishop? So
Wait, here?
there you go. All right, so we have a new staff member. We have Riley here. I just want to ask him a few questions. So Riley, what do you think about working chess the last few days? How many days have you worked already? Like 2 or 3?
Yeah, I've worked I think 3. This is my 3rd day here now.
Okay. And what do you think about it so far?
I've enjoyed the experience. They have a really solid lesson plan from the book I've read.
Sweet,
and
okay.
The kids seem to be figuring it out pretty well.
Oh, you got a book already?
Yeah.
Wow. We're gonna have him teach the 1st and 2nd graders probably soon, maybe next week. Do you feel comfortable teaching?
Yeah, I was working with Solomon and I felt pretty comfortable when I was teaching the kids.
That's good, man. How long you been playing chess for?
I've been playing since I was in elementary school, actually. I played in a few tournaments.
Okay.
And I got back into it recently
Okay.
when I was in high school.
That's cool. So do you play on chess.com?
Yeah, mainly chess.com. I'm rated 1400.
Wow,
So.
that's better than me. That's good. You got to play one of our other volunteer helpers over there. She's pretty good. I think she's like a 1200 or something like that. But yeah, all right. Well, thanks a lot, man. Thanks for joining the team. You're gonna be great, bro. I already could tell. And we'll see how you do next week with the younger kids. All right. Peace. We're out. So why are we missing like about 4 or 5 kids? Why are some of the kids not here?
One of the kids went to the movies.
What? He wants to go watch Barbie without us? I can't believe he would do that. He wants to go watch Barbie without us. She hung with the FIDE master. Good job, dude.
Oh, see, now you make a mistake. If I take right here, see what happened to your king? It's like a discover check. You see that? You want to take back?
I could have won your king.
It's being pinned, right? So now, what happens if I take the rooks right here? It's checkmate. You can't take it back, right? See, good game.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I hadn't done that. If I'd gone here, you would have been forced to take, and then I would have taken back, but then you could have taken back. So you would have.
Oh,
had
so
my
you're
king,
saying she
but
should have
because
took.
of
She should have
the
took.
Okay, so like if I did this, you would have rather done that than move your queen away or something.
Yeah, no. I mean, it doesn't matter. Like, you shouldn't have taken that, but you shouldn't have
Yeah,
pushed the pawn.
Yeah,
That's
that
what.
was
Oh, because it's bro. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that shirt, bro. Perfect shirt for chess. Let me see. What does it say? I'm thinking. Amazing. That's right.
Let's talk about how to get a checkmate with just a rook. We only have a rook. Let me use vanilla. Can you get a checkmate with a rook and a king? Select your fence. Now the king can only be here. So the king's gonna go ahead and let's say the king comes here. You start moving your king. You leave the rook there. You try to go ahead and try to get to the rook. You move the rook out of danger. You start chasing the rook. You still move your king. And your goal is to try to go ahead and get as close as possible to the king. But the king wants to get the rook, because if the king gets the rook, it's a tie game. But the rook goes all the way back to Hawaii. Now, the king comes here. What you want to do is you want to make sure you put your king a nice space away from the king. Is this a nice space away? Is this a nice space away?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Now, if the king moves here and lines up with the other king, they're face to face. They're looking at each other right in the face. If they do that, that's your moment to shine to go ahead and move your rook and attack the king, because we know that kings can't be close to each other. Can't go here, here, or here. And that means if this rook is attacking this file, can't go to the side. Is this a check or a checkmate? But what happens if the king moves over here? What happens if the king doesn't line up? What happens if the king moves here? What should you do? Yeah. Always move a knight space away. Perfect. Perfect. And now I have nowhere else to go except to G8. And I have to line up with the king. And then I go ahead and move my rook here, and the rook's attacking the king. Let's see, let's see. Let's try Joseph.
Do I have to be the exact same?
It doesn't have to be the exact same. All right, I made a move here. Created the electric fence. If I move up here, what do you do? Still creating the electric fence. I go up here, what do you do? Nice. I'm coming, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to take the rook. Nice. Good job, Joseph. He was paying attention in the lesson. He might get you guys treats. Perfect. But I'm still trying to get for that rook. Let's see if he can do it. I'm coming for that rook. Then I'm coming for that rook. I'm still coming for that rook. Oh, I'm gonna come up here and I line up. Wait a minute. I'm going here. Put it there. Round of applause for Joseph. Earned everybody 2 strawberry sour treats. Everybody say, way to go, Joseph.
Way to go, Joseph!
Later, guys. Drive safe. All right. Today we were at Towers Elementary, and it's the 5th week. So next week is the last day of chess here, and we're gonna bring the trophies, the medals, and the prizes and chess sets for all the kids. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever they. I don't even do this YouTube thing. I don't even know what I'm saying. We'll see you tomorrow. Is no school in the whole entire Torrance Unified School District. So we'll see you next week, Monday at Valor, or another new school, St. Philomena. All right, I'm out. Like 3 strikes.